Good morning, boys and girls. I would like to quickly go over your social studies project. We've been talking about Texas and its geographic locations and its implications on the plants and animals and people that live in our state. Well, you have the chance over the next couple of days to learn about our Texas plants and animals. So let me go over really quickly what your directions and my expectations are. So you are going to choose a total of 3 plants or animals, okay? So you could choose 2 animals and 1 plant. You could choose 1 animal and 2 plants. You could do 3 animals. You could do 3 plants. You have a choice as long as it's a total of 3 things you're researching, okay? You're going to go to the website www.factmonster.com and research the 3 plants or animals that you have chosen. I will show you in a second. Miss Shelton actually created a research slide that are not on factmonster.com. So if you choose one of those animals, you can go into that slide to see that information, okay? You're going to rewrite the facts using your own words. Remember, otherwise that's plagiarism. We don't want to steal authors' words. So whatever you read, you're then going to put into your own words, okay? You're going to use the picture provided to complete a tri-chart over each of the plants and animals chosen, which is going to be on slide 8. Let me go through the slides so that you can see what all is available for you to research, okay? So here's some animals you can choose from. The 9-banded armadillo. That sounds really interesting. I actually saw an armadillo in my backyard the other day, so I would probably like to research that and find more information about him. The Texas longhorn. Woo-woo! You guys know how I feel about the Longhorns. I'm even rocking my Longhorn shirt today. Just a side note, the other day we were at the park, and Connor saw on a park bench a Longhorn. Mommy, that's on your shirt. So y'all know he's learned about University of Texas Longhorns. All right, the badger. I didn't know badgers were from Texas or lived in Texas, so that's interesting. I would like to learn more about that. You can also learn about the Texas rat snake, not the rattlesnake, but the rat snake. The northern black-bellied whistling duck. What an interesting name. I wonder why it has that name. Here are some plants you can choose from. The bee balm. The black-eyed Susan. That's one of my favorites because it looks like a sunflower. The coral bell. That's a beautiful plant. Hibiscus marshmallow. This one I challenge y'all to research because I think you'll learn something really interesting about it. Purple fountain grass. I would like to plant this in my yard. And then here is something that Miss Shelton actually created. These are not available on factmonster.com, but she did some research and gave you kind of an exemplar of what your work should look like. So she gave the title of the plant or animal she researched, put the picture. So here's the Lenten rose, the black bear, and the Texas bluebonnets. And then she gave some facts about each one. Notice, let me go back. Notice she didn't just put one thing. She's giving enough information that we actually get to learn about that plant or animal. So please make sure that you're providing us with a lot of information. You are researchers right now. Okay? For example, under the black bear lives in large forested areas, so we know where it lives. It is carnivorous, but will also eat berries, fruits, and nuts. So we know what it likes to eat, meat, but it also likes a mixture of some other things as well. Black bears may be black or shades of brown. So it's telling me about their appearance. So that's giving me 3 different facts about that animal. I'd like for you to do the same thing. I would like at least 3 sentences for each thing you're researching. Now here is slide 8. This is where you are going to do just like Miss Shelton's exemplar, where you're going to put the 3 plants and animals that you're researching, the picture, and then your 3 facts. Please don't forget to include your name, my friends. All right, I also wanted to show you there were several animals that are not available on FactMonster, but you might want to get some facts from them. I misspoke a minute ago. So in Google Classroom, there's going to be another slideshow that says Animal and Plants Research Facts. So if you wanted to research the Texas Longhorn, here are some facts about the Texas Longhorn. If you wanted the northern black-bellied whistling duck, here are some facts about that animal. And if you were interested in the purple fountain grass, here's some information. Remember, you are taking these details and rewording them into your own words as you're researching, okay? This will be turned in Google Classroom. It's under the assignment that says Thursday and Friday, Texas Animal and Plant Project. So right here, the one that says animal and plant, that's the one that's just the facts about those 3 animals that aren't available on Fact Monster. And here is the slide that you'll be working in. Really quickly, I want to show you Fact Monster. So I'm going to go www.factmonster.com. And let's see, I wanted to learn more about the armadillo. So I'm going to type armadillo up here in the search bar. And right here, that first word has armadillo. And I'm going to read through this. And actually, you know what? I think it was called the 9. Let me go back and look. Oops. Sorry, guys. The 9-banded armadillo. Let me see if I can even get even more specific. 9-banded armadillo. Okay, so it looks like it just has the arm. Oh, not 9-inch nails. That's a band. Looks like it just has the armadillo, but you'll still be able to get some information about that animal on this website. So you just type at this top search and then find what you're looking for. You're going to read through and find 3 interesting facts to teach other people about. If you have any questions as you're working on this, please feel free to contact me. I think you'll have a lot of fun researching, and I cannot wait to read what you all learn. Thank you so much, and work hard, scientists and researchers.